Hey, bestie. What you doing? Best friend, I've been seeing all over TikTok where everybody taking this stuff right here, these ingredients, put them together, and it's supposed to help your hair grow. So we gonna test it out. I gotta go to the shop this week, get my ends clipped, then I'm gonna do some braids, and we gonna see what happens. Now, this right here, that Blue Magic, this the OG. This the OG right here. So we using this Sulfur 8 Virgin Hair Fertilizer. Y'all, I got it up in the jar. They had it up in the tube, but I was like, oh, they got it in the jar. I want that one. Wild Growth Hair Oil. So y'all ready to put it together? I'm going to be the test dummy. We going to see. I'm going to tell you the truth if it work or not. I got this little container. I got these off Amazon. Yeah, I got that. So let's get started. Oh, it smells just like it did when I was a kid. My mama used to use this on my hair all the time. And yes, I'm getting it off the top too. Baby, I'm about to get all my money's worth. Put it on the side. Put it on the side. I need all my money's worth. And I'm still going to put my finger on there and put it on my scalp too. Put it in there. Do it got the price on here? It got the price. I'm going to tell y'all the price. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. This say $3.99. Like I said, I got it from the local beauty supply because on Amazon, they was trying to tax for it. I don't know who they thought I was, baby. Like, I don't know how much it's supposed to cost. I remember this from back in the day. My mama used to always use this on my head. Get all of it. This a knife. I'm scooping out as much as I can. If I don't get it all, I'm still gonna use it. Okay? We can do this one. Oh. I don't know what it smells like, but. So we're gonna do the Sulfur 8, all of this. I'm a scientist. All of it. Girl, I'm just putting stuff up in here. I ain't even read the ingredients or nothing. Anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. Girl, you gotta read what you're putting on your head. I ain't read nothing. Listening to the TikTokers. TikTokers. Best friend, I'm doing pretty good with scooping it out. I'm doing okay. Okay, now for the Virgin Hair Fertilizer, Anti-Dandruff and Hair Conditioning Cream with the rapid and healthy hair growth. So you can get this in the tube, but my spot had it in the jar. Did I tell y'all how much this is? Okay, this $7.99. $3.99, $7.99. $4, $8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep up with me. And this is $8.99, $9, 12 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry the 1, 2, 1. That's $21. If I'm doing it correctly. Oh, this smells like a peppermint. This smells minty. Mint. Mint leaf. Yeah, that's what it smells like. And it's yellow. Can you see? Oh, this kind of tough. Oh, this kind of tough. Gotta chop this thing up. Golly. Goodness gracious. Oh. Bestie, this one making me mad. I don't want to break my knife now. Like, you don't even want to scoop. Oh, hold up. This is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. How much this was? Did it say how much this was? I don't know how much this was. The lady had it in the back. I guess people be stealing it. And she had to go, in the back of the register to get it for me. I'm gonna look on my receipt to see how much I paid for it, because she ain't told me nothing. I just said I want that one. And she was like, okay, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna put the price at the end. The only one that I don't like the yellow one. That yellow one's strong and it stinks. Oh, don't get it on my hand. It got on my hand. Oh! I don't like that. I don't like that. But they said this is what we supposed to use. So I don't like that though. How I'm gonna start this? I need every drop. All my money's worth. All my money's worth. Keep going. I know it's still some in there. You know what I'm gonna do? Save all my bottles and all my containers. Cause I'ma scrape the rest of it out. Put it back down on them BBs. I can start early. Whoa. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Oh, y'all like that presentation? Look. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So y'all can see. I'm creative. I don't know how I'm going to stir all this. I probably should have got a spoon. It's working though. Hold up. Ooh. I'm making a mess. Stir. It look like Dookie. This friend, you gotta be patient. And you gotta water with it. I don't know nothing about that. I heard it in a song. I'm a Christian. I'm holified, sanctified, filled with the Holy Ghost. Yes, I am. That friend, my arm kind of hurt a little bit, but I'm almost to the blue. I'm just trying to get the lumps up out of it and smooth it as much as I can at the top. And then I'm gonna start working that blue. You see that blue right there? Start working it in. My hand hurt. Can you scoot over? You in my bubble. Some more. Thank you. I feel like I should have mixed as I went along. That probably would have been a little bit easier for me. Cause baby, I ain't even made it all the way down to the blue yet. I'm trying. Do I need a spoon? Friend, I'm sorry, but I need a little help. This ain't doing what I needed to do. Yeah, that's probably gonna help it. Loosen it up a little bit. Yeah, now that blue getting up in here. Y'all see that? Look. You see it? There we go. Cause what was happening? Yeah, we doing something now. We doing something. Am I baking a cake? What's happening? It look like slime, don't it? But they say it'll help your hair grow. I'm trying, best friend. I'm trying. I done gave up. If it's still a little chunks up in it, that's just a little piece of extra growth. Rub it in, baby. Rub it in that scalp. Ew. Well, I was trying to turn it over so I can get the bottom and I spilled it. Do not be like me. Be better than me. Please be better than me. Cause I just be doing stuff. Oh my goodness. What's happening? I'm about to cry. Things are not going my way. Oh my goodness. Why would it do? You know what? I'm gonna put it in the back. Let me lift this up. I'm gonna put it in the back. Cause my BBs need to grow anyway. You just want me to test it out. That's all. Put it in the back. Put it on my edges a little bit. Don't worry about it. It ain't gonna go to waste. Don't even. Best friend, don't even worry about it. Don't even. You ain't gotta worry about me. You ain't gotta worry about me. It just wanted me to test it. That's it. Yeah, put it back there on the BBs. This the best I can do. So I'm just gonna take the rest of it off the comb. Then just put my comb somewhere, and I guess use this too. This was too messy for me. Was it like this for anybody else? Cause goodness gracious. Too messy. It's the best I can do. And then I'm gonna put the top on it. And I'm gonna grease my hair. Well, I'm gonna grease my scalp at least. Wait, I could have did like that. I could have did like this the whole time, but hold up. I could have did like this the entire time. Mix it. Okay, boom. So if you want your hair thick and long, make this. You can't go wrong. I'm gonna let y'all know how I go though. I don't know how long this gonna last me. It should last me a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles. It should do good and last me a long time. I'm gonna try to mix it up some more though. Yeah. My hair gonna be this long using this. Oh yeah, I gotta get the price. Hold on, let me get the price of everything. On the receipt. Okay, the Wild Growth Oil, $9.99. The Wild Growth Oil was $10. $9.99, $7.99, $8.99. What about for $13? Oh, that was my shampoo and stuff. I'm like, how did I spend $80 and I only got 7 items? I had to buy something to wash my hair too. Okay, my bad. I'm off. Wild Growth Oil, $10. Then the Sulfur, the $8. That's $18. And then the fertilizer, that's $9. So 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's $27. And the Blue Magic, it was $4. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I spent $31 on that. In all, I spent $80. What the? Girl, I just be doing stuff. So, yeah, if you try it, best friend, let me know. Or, you know, we can do this together. You can go on this journey with me together. We're going to grease our scalp with this once a week. I don't know if they say it once or twice a week. I'm going to do it once a week. Let's give it until the end of the year. It's July. Let's give it to December. Until Christmas. No, let's give it to New Year's. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this and let's give it into New Year. We're gonna see how far my hair grow. Okay, I think I'm like up here. When I go get my hair trimmed by Miko this week, I'm gonna show y'all where my hair is. We're gonna take pictures, we're gonna do videos, and then we're gonna compare in January. So if you want to go on this journey with me, girl, get you some of this so we can make us a little concoction. What we gonna call it? We gonna call it the Hair Growth Elixir. That sounds fancy, don't it? Thank you for watching. Love you, bestie. Bye.